Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, help us grow that channel. Today we'll show you guys how to reset the service lights on a BMW E60 61. This will be the 5 Series from probably 2002, 3 all the way until 2009, maybe even early 10. And we have that beautiful 2007 530xi, guys. And when you start, you have the service light on. And we're gonna show you guys how to reset it now without using any tools. All you need is your key. So stay with us, we're gonna show you how to do that now. So first thing that you need to do, guys, you need to push the key in. Don't press the brake pedal, just hold the start button until you have all the lights on. Okay, let go. You will see like that. Now we need to zero the odometer right here. So we're gonna hold it until we zero that thing. Okay, like that. And next, what we need to do, we need to pull the key out. Okay, put it in. Then you need to hold the button again. Let go. All the lights to come on again. Now we're gonna hold that thing for about 5 to 10 seconds. The reset button. Okay, wait now. Okay, and we have the menu right here to reset brakes, to reset any service due on it. Okay, you can see it has for the even for the diesel engines. So now what you will need to do, guys, you just need to hold it, select the one you want, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and it's going to reset it. Okay, so it says reset. Okay, you can see it's gonna come out, and we're going to, okay, we actually entered in test mode for the Quaster, so you can do that too. But what we're going to do, we're going to start again. You need to select one. We screwed up, so we will try one more time. But that's how you test your cluster now. So I'm gonna turn it off again. It might not work the first time, guys, because without tools it's not as easy. Hold the button. Okay, like that, service. And we're gonna hold until we have the service light on again. Okay, right there. So now we're gonna hold until it says reset. You see it. Okay, yes, and we confirm again. Okay, and it needs to reset any minute now. Okay, we're gonna try again. We screwed up the first time. Okay, the button again, ignition on. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to hold the button quick. Okay, until we have to the service screen. We go to the service screen we want. Okay, you can see mileage is -8. Now we hold it for another 5 seconds. You need to be pretty quick with that. Okay, let me get it on again. Okay, and now you hold it. Keep holding that button. Reset, yes, let go. Hold again until the mileage resets. 30,000 miles, you can see. So that screen is ready. Now the brakes that were supposed to be replaced. So we're gonna hold this one now. Again, we're gonna hold the button until the service screen comes up. Right there. Now you keep holding. You press again. Reset, let go. Hit again. And it reset it for another 2 years. So that's how you reset the brakes. Oil is still good. Emissions good. You have the different ones, rear brakes, front brakes. Okay, all the screens now are perfectly fine, guys. So we don't have any screens now at all. And that's how you reset the service due on that Beamer without any tools, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please help us grow. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.